One of the best tool I come across to use to check your phone storage is Smart Clean Pro, guys, and I want to recommend that you get it. You can use it for free. There are also paid version, but the free version does the job extremely well. The only thing that you may have to worry about is those advertisements that constantly show up in the application. But apart from that, if this doesn't worry you, you can use Smart Clean Pro to check your phone storage. And here, and not only check the storage, but you can use it to clean it as well. Now once you're in the application, you will see from the home that you will see a quick clean that you can do, or you can go to apps in the from the bottom there, open up the device status. It's going to do a quick load of your entire device status. I'm talking about everything that you need. And from here you can see the storage section where you can see the usage percentage, you can see all of your memory, and of course the available memory, and you can click and check. It's going to do a quick check of your system cache, your thumbnails, empty folders, downloads, and all of that. And on top of that, it just go through and show you what you can quickly clean. Not only does it show you what you can easily clean, but you can also go through and clean up more stuff. But one of the top feature here within it that I like is the phone cleaner, that it automatically checks stuff that you can clean and allow you to quickly clean that up with just a click of a button. As you can see right there, it's currently cleaning for me. And again, I know that the advertisements are there in the application, but if that doesn't bother you, you can really use this application to get a lot done. But that's basically it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and check your phone storage using the Smart Clean Pro. Very easy and very simple.